In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Slack on your mobile device. Whether you're on the go or simply prefer using your phone, accessing Slack on your mobile can keep you connected and productive. We'll be walking through each step, making it easy and straightforward for you to get started. First things first, you need to head over to Slack's official website. Open your mobile browser and simply type in slack.com. Once you're there, you'll find a clean and intuitive layout designed to guide you through every step of accessing your workspace. This main page is your gateway into connecting with your team and managing your tasks efficiently. Once on the main page, you'll want to locate the Sign In button. For a smoother experience, especially if you're using your Google account, click on Sign In with Google. This option is a quick and secure way to gain access without needing to remember additional passwords. It's particularly handy if you use your Google account across devices and platforms, ensuring a unified and secure access point. After choosing to sign in with Google, you'll be directed to the Slack dashboard. This is your central hub where you can navigate between channels, direct messages, and other activities that involve your team and workspace. It's designed for productivity, laying out all the essential tools and communication apps you need to get your work done effectively. Navigate to your specific workspace or direct message area. If you're new to Slack, this might look a lot like an email inbox or social media feed with various channels and contacts listed on your screen. Go ahead and select the direct message or channel that you frequently use or wish to engage with. Next, you'll want to access your profile settings. This is where you can make adjustments to how you appear in Slack, manage notifications, and customize your experience. Simply find your profile section, usually represented by your photo or initials at the corner of your screen, and give it a tap. To complete the process, click on Sign In on Mobile. This definitive step ensures your mobile is authorized to access Slack securely and allows you to stay connected even when you're away from your computer. Once you're logged in, everything is optimized for mobile, so you'll find it's easy to chat, share files, or jump on calls right from your phone. And there you have it, a simple yet complete walkthrough on how to log into Slack on your mobile device. Now you're ready to stay engaged with your team no matter where you are. Thanks for tuning in and happy slacking.